We are seeing supportiveness on the NASDAQ coming off of the scalper's objective. That's a pretty big problem for the shorts. See if you can get a little bit of a dip back down in the 35s, 34s or so. Allow them a chance to possibly even re-exit. For the NASDAQ, honestly, a possible long with the shorts getting juked at 35 might even be a little bit more interesting. 928 is around the corner. 928 on a Friday can be a little bit even more dangerous because that is, if you're not familiar, the last chance for people to modify their at the open orders. So 928, it's usually one last little pop of volatility. On the NASDAQ, looking for this little bit of a dip. I think the shorts are looking to potentially exit on this next pulse and seeing the response from the longs coming in there. Well, the shorts exiting rather. We are dealing with the open and we've got 928. So there is going to be a little bit of excess volatility. It's a relatively strong bear bar. So to compensate for it, I will look to get into a short on the S&P as a potential hedge. I do also have my shorts a little bit further above, so that's fine. But 65, let's see if we can get that scalp down to 64 there for the hedge. 1 minute until the open, right around the corner. Target taken on the S&P. Here comes the open. A little bit of an extra flush to the downside there. All right. Well, I didn't have a chance to move all my contracts on the NASDAQ. That spiked too fast. I tried to move them up. I tried to modify for the actual risk scalp, but the freaking thing filled me too quick. Sheesh. All right. Well, we got the pulse back to the upside. I still think the sellers are really feeling some pressure, but that move down retested that target point, right, to the tick. So they're 2-to-1s. If they're looking to get out, that was the spot right there. I still like this for potential continuation on a larger scale because of that. Back up through this area now. They're short entry. They've got to be exhausted. See if they can pulse through. Ooh, they couldn't pulse through. And when I exited, I got a horrible fill. Yay, volatility. Woohoo. A little bit of a dip back to retest. And I will take it there. Holy moly, we got some volatility. Hit the gas pedal. We got this bad boy rocking and rolling today.